How to change Wi-Fi to data in Play Store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Play Store, and once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner, then click on Settings. And here you want to click on Network Preferences and then click on App Download Preference. You will get this window right here, from which you want to select the first option and click on Done to save the options. And by doing that, you will be able to use the mobile data to download the apps, etc. So that was it for this video. That's how you can switch the Wi-Fi to mobile data in the Google Play Store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.